Hello friends, hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I will tell you guys how to download MP4 song for free without any kind of copyright issues. So watch my video till end so you can get all my points. Before watching my video, it's a request to subscribe my channel first. As I have shown in the start of my video that the method I told in my video works 100%. So watch my video till last so you can get all my points clearly. So back to the topic, first you have to open your phone browser. Whatever browser you use, you can open that. I use Chrome, so I open Chrome. After coming here, you have to search pixabay.com. After searching, page like this will open to you as well. Here on the top you can see many options after home, just like photos, video, music, vectors, etc. You have to look for the music option and just open that. After clicking it, scroll down and you can see many variety of music. If you want to download one of these songs, you can stay there, but if you can't find the song you want to download, on the top you can see the search bar. Go there and search the song you want to download. After searching or after finding the song you want to download, click on the play button to see the song you want to download, isn't it that or not. After confirming it, on the right side you can see the download option. Click there and your song will start it to download on your device. As you can see, now the song you want to download is downloaded on your device. So back to the home page on your phone, you have to look for the music app. Open that and you can see the song you have downloaded will automatically shifted there. If not yet, refresh your phones for once and then open the music app and you can see the song you have downloaded. So yes, this was the method to download MP4 songs for free on your device without any kind of copyright issue. Hope you all like my video. If yes, do let me know in comment section and do subscribe to my channel. Plus, if you are facing any kind of tech related problem, you can let me know in comment section. I will try to help you out. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.